Mbeta Maureen Kinya na mwonanetwa mathithio ntuku ya narua ni Maureen Kome na nteto chetu chikambiriria thaiji. MC wa Bogeta West uria nowe mukanukia wa baria bakai mbungene ya kaunti ya Meru rukirirwa narua na kinyithitie methene ya mbunge RWARIA rwa kweberia ngavana Kawira mwangaza wathanine igita ria Jairi gukaririkanwa KIUMIA KITHIRU KOTI gukurukira mugambithania wa maecherere NIYARUNGIKIRE RWARIA RURU na kinya kwatha MC bakarwariria ikiorota mutaratara juria jwatumikire ikiuga jutakinyanirite kagitene okau nawe mutongeria wa baraba inge mbungene oewe Evans Mawira no rite ngavana Kawira kubaretera marietwa ja abisa nene nebo chief officers jaria ja kurukirwe ni mbondi ya wandikani nikenda bamukurukiria ombe gwita Ameru Ngugi Muthumrioki na riboti iji.
Gavana wa Meru Kawira mwangaza na achoketwe Karangone KAIRI kiri county assembly ya Meru ujune nyume MC wa Bogeta West NDMK KIOGORA kwithwa letetero wa KAIRI rwa kumweberia gitine nyuma rwari GUKINYUA KITHIRU kwithwa rukeberwa rikoti ngana DMK KIOGORA o mathina jaja rungumite Kawira no jaja murumirite nyaka gitagaka gitumi bakwenda kumweberia gitine.
The discreditable acts have created a toxic environment in which the governor cannot be legitimately expected or relied upon to work harmoniously with the staff and elected leaders at the national and county levels of government. And the governor's continued stay in office under the prevailing toxic environment will inevitably undermine effective and efficient service delivery and thus hurt the interest of the people of Meru County. The Assembly therefore resolves to impeach the governor under Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order Number 65 of the Standing Orders of the Assembly on the following grounds. Number 1, nepotism, illegal appointments, unlawful dismissals, and usurpation of the Constitution and statutory functions of county organs.
Ndene county assembly ji muthenya narua mutongeri wa baraba nini ndene mbungeji no mwenda ithiri kuna ripoti yetitie mwezi mmoja uthiri nikena amenya mbechiri kuthuna cibitari urachi utumika na mwankire na ripoti iji itare to ndene county assembly ji.
And Mr. Speaker, I doubt whether in the county government there are clear structures because my good guess is that there are no structures in the county government of Meru. Because if there are structures, then the report could have, the statement could have come to this house since it was requested.
The CEC who is in charge of the health department didn't see it wise or prudent to answer to that statement that was sought from this Honorable Assembly. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, I feel it to be right if you direct them that the committee summons the CEC who is responsible to come and answer to these queries on the floor of the House.
So, Mr. Speaker, I echo the words of Majority Leader. It's that time that the acting CEC health be brought or be summoned to this House and explain about the statement that the committee has sought.
The leader of the majority is to ensure that the CEC, the acting CEC, is summoned immediately to answer what is supposed to answer. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Kitumina ndi speaker amena MC ba mbungeji betikanite ntariki 20 mweri jojo munini wa gavana mutubanto ithingia urenyo gwatiriterwa ngiro ngimo mwiri etwagikinya ki assembly ji nikenda choke masokyo jaja.
I direct the chair of the health committee to summon the CEC health on 20th December to come personally and appear on the committee and give reasons as to why he has not responded, and at the same time give a concrete answer on the statement that was sought. So I give those directions.
Indi amana bubu mutongeri wa inge mbungene ji no baraba nini betho bakiudia ngavana Kawira mwangaza etho akireta supplementary budget bombe kumugurikiria ni amana ndu baria akwenda ba chief officer na kinya kombikana atete ndu bangi ja minister nikenda bomba kumugurikiria
ko batu tayari inya CEC barabangi narete tumukurukirie budget narete tumukurukirie chief officers narete tumukurukirie natige gutumira antu baba gutumirwa acting no ndukinya na arua iturigara muno wona barwiri igusambazwa cia mitandaone director acting aga appoint yungi acting director na acting director ojo report ke acting director
tuirende majority agwa kinya CEC bara batakurukuri tukoro mangava narete bangi tumukurukirie kana Meru baba weta manto yomba weta na mbere Meru bwega so batu buramumbakuwa kamumbakuwa turi assembly Meru tutina thina na ngavana batu tukuritangwa tubura kwagirite ashale mbunge turi abura turi mbunge ta imbunge turi na ngweje tu chambunge icho tukuri
turari tu recess kiumia giki tukwambiria na arua ruju lakini ande no ntu tukwenda mungavana arete intobia tiko gitwete recess utamukurugeria turenda go extend mwanka tariki 21 kinya bindi turera thigongwaja no ntu batu twerwe ngugetu ne gukarandene ya bunge tukarira thigongwaja igenda to ensure manto jawe jara kwenda kurugirwa ndene bunge yetu ya Meru ja gukurukwa atikeje kuga mwanka jore jo 23 jo kiamberia atikeje kuigwati assembly neta muthithirie ngugire ndai
nkiripotera RURU TV Bitamuthuri Muriuki.